Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use the mimic method for pronunciation mastery, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your journey with the mimic method, first, familiarize yourself with the concept of phonetics. Understanding the sounds of the language will be crucial for your pronunciation. Start by selecting the language you wish to master. Next, find audio resources, ideally native speakers, to use as your guides. Listen carefully to these audio clips. Pay attention to the nuances in pronunciation. After listening, try to replicate the sounds you hear. Focus on the mouth movements of the speaker, as well as the rhythm and intonation. Use a mirror to observe your own mouth movements as you practice. Record yourself while mimicking the audio. Play back your recording to compare it with the original. Identify any differences in pronunciation. Make a note of specific sounds that are challenging for you. Practice those sounds repeatedly. Once you feel comfortable with the individual sounds, start forming words. Continue to listen and repeat until your pronunciation improves. Next, work on sentences or phrases for a more comprehensive understanding. Always return to your audio resources for reference. Consider utilizing tools such as phonetic charts to assist with difficult sounds. Regular practice is key. Try to engage with the material daily. If possible, find a language partner to practice with. Utilize their feedback to refine your pronunciation further. Stay patient and persistent throughout this process. Track your progress over time to stay motivated. Remember, mastering pronunciation takes time but is achievable. With dedication and practice using the mimic method, you will enhance your pronunciation skills significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.